The activity title is Soil Variety, which is the investigative phenomenon of this concept. In this activity, we are going to think about why soils are different and also ask questions that can help us learn more about soil. Right here, I have clay soil. Can you notice how it looks, how its particles is different from that of the sand? The texture, the color, and also the composition of the two soils are different from each other. Here, as you can observe, clay has a dark color, while sand has yellow color. Think about the difference between the two soil samples and what else do they have in common. Think about the answer and record it in your notebook. After the break, we will hear our colleagues' ideas.
The two soil samples are completely different in color and grain size.
Thank you, our colleagues. Although these two samples have different colors, this one is black, the texture is soft, and the particles is small. The other soil is dark brown or yellow, its particles are larger and have a rough texture and yellow color. So both samples are made in nature, but in different climate zones. These two types sustain life. Both are considered an essential part of the ecosystem. Now, let's continue the activity on our textbook. Here we have three different images for three different samples of soil. The first image is for silt soil. As you can observe, the silt soil has a very light color and its texture is not soft and not that rough. While if we go to the clay soil, we can notice that it has very brown color and smooth texture and sticky texture sometimes if you hold the clay, and the particles is very, very small. While the sand soil, the sand has yellow color, as it's obvious that it has a very rough texture and you can feel the particles between your fingers. Also sand, the particles of the sand soil is very large. It's actually larger than the silt and the clay soil.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا المستقبل يبدأ الآن.